Royal rifts to heal as new villain everyone agrees to hate emerges to unite monarchy. The royal family's rifts between those that side with Princess Diana or Prince Charles are set to heal after a new villain has emerged, according to a royal commentator. Sarah Gristwood told Sky News that the exposure of Martin Bashir's methods of obtaining his 1995 BBC interview with Princess Diana will provide a moment of reconciliation for the royal family. The royal commentator added that Martin Bashir has emerged as a new villain that everyone can agree to hate. Ms. Gristwood said, "The War of the Waleses does not really go away from a family. It leaves rifts and this should have been, maybe will be a moment of reconciliation, almost of vindication for the royal family." Before it had been you were either on Charles' side or on Diana's. The narrative has got a bit more subtle over the last few years, but that is basically the story. But now guess what, there is a new villain, the media and Martin Bashir in particular, that everyone can agree to hate.